Okay guys, another video for popcorn ceilings. So we've got them all scraped, and then you can see we've got little dig marks here and there. Some I've already fixed, but some we'll get here in a minute. But what I'm doing is I'm just rolling out my band joints and getting them nice, and you can see they're nice and clean now. And we're just using a skimming blade, and we're filling in the nail hole second coating, because they only first coat them when they do these popcorn ceilings. Oh hell, that happens, right? So what I'll actually do, I'll put on a little heavy. I'll go down the outside of each edge